Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 7. So our topic is nutrition digestion process in human body. So this topic it will explain how digestive system is work in our body. So this group have 4 members, which is me, is Akmal Fidaus, and second Muhammad Idham, third Amirul Haziq, and fourth Ahmad Faiz. Okay, so today I will talk about digestive system in human body. So first of all, what is digestive system? Digestive system is made of the gastrointestinal tract, also called as digestive tract. The GI tract is a series of hollow organ joined in a long twisting tube from mouth to the anus. The hollow organ that make up the GI tract are mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, include rectum and anus.
Okay, Nabil, do you know how digestive system in human body work? Okay, Nabil, the first step in digestive system intake of food is the first step in the digestive system. Begin when we start eating food. When you take a bite of your favorite meal or snack, you are starting the whole digestive system process. The tract that are working to digest food are called gastrointestinal or make it short as GI. The second step, chewing, is a vital process in the digestive system. As food enter the mouth, the teeth mechanically break it down into smaller pieces, exposing more surface area for enzyme to work on. The jaw muscle contract, moving the teeth against each other for the breaking down the food. Saliva, which contain enzyme like amylase, is released during chewing and start breaking down complex carbohydrate into simpler sugar. Additionally, chewing signals the start of the digestive system to the rest of the body, preparing the stomach and intestines for the incoming food. Overall, proper chewing ensure optimal nutrient absorption and pave the way for effective digestion and energy extraction from the food we eat. So we eat slowly and enjoy the food to make the process of digestive done smoothly. Step 3. After you done chewing, you must swallowing. After you chew, the food become a soft moist mass called a bolus. When you are ready, you swallow the bolus and it moves to the back of your throat. Okay, number for the fourth step are journey through the esophagus. The swallowed food travel down a muscular tube called esophagus, which connect the mouth to the stomach. The esophagus contract and release to push the food downward using a process called peristalsis. Nabil, are you still here with me? Okay, the fifth step are entering the stomach. The food then reach the stomach, where it's mixed with stomach acid and digestive enzyme. The stomach acid help break down protein like meat, fish, and etc. The enzyme continue to break down carbohydrate. Second last step are small intestine. In small intestine, there will be a process called absorption. The partially digested food move into the small intestine, where most of the nutrient absorption take place, where the food is broken down further into smaller molecule and the nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream to be used by the body. The last step are, after the important nutrient being absorbed, the waste material are eliminated from the body through the rectum and anus. During the process of defecation, the material that are being eliminated by our body are called stool. Do you understand, Nabil? Thank you.
Okay, Nabil. Now I will tell you about the organ system that involved in digestive system. So the first one is mouth. Digestion starts in the mouth where the process of mechanical and chemical breakdown begins. Chewing or mastication breaks food into smaller pieces, increasing its surface area for better enzyme action. Salivary glands secrete saliva, which contain enzymes like amylase that start breaking down the carbohydrates into simpler sugar. So the number two is esophagus. The esophagus is a muscular tube that connects the pharynx to the stomach. It transports the bolus of chewed food from the mouth to the stomach using rhythmic contraction called peristalsis. The third one is stomach. Organ stomachs in the stomach. Once the food reaches the stomach, it encounters gastric juice that contain hydrochloric acid and digestive enzyme such as pepsin. This acidic secretion had further break down the food, turning it into a semi-liquid mixture called chyme. Number 4, small intestine. Chyme moves from the stomach into the small intestine where most of the nutrient absorption occurs. The small intestine is about 20 feet long and consists of three parts: the duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. Enzymes from the pancreas and bile from the liver aid in breaking down carbohydrates, protein, and fats into their absorbable forms. Number 5, pancreas. The pancreas is a glandular organ located behind the stomach. It serves two main functions in the digestive system. The first one is endocrine function. So the endocrine contains cluster of cells called islets of Langerhans, which are responsible for producing and releasing hormones directly into the bloodstream. The two most important hormones produced by the pancreas are insulin and glucagon. These hormones help regulate blood sugar levels and play a crucial role in glucose metabolism and energy regulation throughout the body. The second one is the exocrine function. So the exocrine function of the pancreas involves producing and releasing the digestive enzymes into the small intestine to aid in the breakdown of the food. The last one is liver. The liver is the largest internal organ in the human body and is located on the right side of the abdomen, just below the diaphragm.
Okay, next I will talk about carbohydrate digestion, protein digestion, and fat digestion. Carbohydrates are one of the three macronutrients in the human diet, along with protein and fat. These molecules contain carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms. Carbohydrates play an important role in the human body. They act as an energy source, help control blood glucose and insulin metabolism, participate in cholesterol and triglyceride metabolism, and help with fermentation. Carbohydrate digestion begins in the mouth where salivary amylase start the breakdown. After breaking down throughout the digestive system, monosaccharides are absorbed into the bloodstream. The carbohydrates are rice, oat, bread, noodle, and many more. For protein digestion, the digestion of protein entails breaking the complex molecule first into peptide, each having a number of amino acids, and second into individual amino acids. The food of protein is egg,
chicken meat, beef, fish, and many more. Lastly, I will talk about the fats digestion. The majority of fat digestion happen once it reaches the small intestine. This is also where the majority of nutrients are absorbed. Your pancreas produces enzymes that break down fats, carbohydrates, and proteins. Your liver produces bile that helps you digest fats and certain vitamins. For fats, for food in fat is cooking oil, butter, margarine, and plant-based oil. Fat from your food is digested by enzymes at various stages of the digestion process. Some of it is used for energy right away, and some of it is stored for later. When extra energy is needed, your body will break down the stored fat. Fat also helps your body absorb important vitamins and give your body essential fatty acids that control inflammation, improve brain health, and more. The amount of time that fat takes to digest varies from person to person and between cisgender males and females.